You know what a video is, and you know what an email is. But what do people mean by video email? How does it work, and why would I use it? Well, we'll answer your burning questions in this short video. Video emails are simple video messages recorded using a webcam or a smartphone and delivered via email in place of a typical text-only message. The idea is to send a dynamic, hyper-personalized message that gets noticed and responded to at a significantly higher rate than a plain text email. The words we use only account for a fraction of human communication, while tone, inflection, gestures, facial expressions, eye contact, and so on make up the bulk. Seeing another person and hearing their voice fires up neurons that help us recognize faces and understand their expressions. We absorb this emotional information and respond, making micro decisions about whether we like and trust them in those moments. This emotional contagion shouldn't be underestimated. If you want someone to be as excited as you are, you're better off conveying that excitement through video. Additionally, video emails help by breaking up the monotony of faceless phone calls and plain text emails, letting you stand out in the sea of bland emails that typically fill up your recipient's inbox. Video emails are opened at a 19% higher rate and responded to at a 200% higher rate than typical text emails. That's mind-blowing. So video email is a good bet if you're in sales, account management, customer service, marketing, higher education, automotive, recruiting, real estate, mortgage, staffing. You get the idea. Trying to send a video file through your email can pose some challenges. It's either too big to send, gets caught in spam, or is sent as a suspicious-looking attachment. Video email platforms like Covideo sort out these issues. There's no need to worry about file sizes, as videos are hosted on our servers and sent as something called a rich text link. They won't get caught in spam filters the same way that videos sent as email attachments do, and there's no need to worry about whether the video will play properly. Just record, send, and track as quickly as typing up a regular email. If you want the benefits of face-to-face meetings with the flexibility and convenience of emails, then you should check out video email.